Hello guys, this is Nagesh. Welcome to my channel. I upload videos related to stock market and cryptocurrency. So let's start the video without wasting the time.
First stock is Chola Finance. So we'll see whether we have any opportunity on this stock. So what I can see here in daily time frame, so I can see a very good resistance here and here. This is kinda expanded channel pattern. What I can see here, I can see a good support here. First time when it came here, it went up again. Second time pumped up. So again third time it came the same level. So risk reward is very good if you entered somewhere here, so you can keep the stop loss below this candle and you can target, you can at least till this trend line. So the risk reward is almost 1 is to 3, 1 is to 3.3. So keep this stock on your radar. So if you're ready to take this much risk, you can go for this trade. So second stock is SDFC Bank. So we'll check we have any opportunity on this stock. So what I see in daily time frame is I can see a very good consolidation. So I can see a very good resistance at the top. At the bottom, I can see a very good support. So if you see here, almost one, two, three, four. This is the fifth time it's coming to this particular resistance. So if you see this daily time frame, we have a very good opportunity on this SDFC Bank. If you enter here, you can keep the stop loss below this trend line and you can aim for at least 1 is to 2, 1 is to 2, or at least you can, if you are ready to hold, you can at least aim for at least 1 is to 3. So the thing is patience, you have to wait. And one more thing, do not expect that as soon as you enter the stock that it should hit your target. Sometimes it will take time. Sometimes as soon as you enter, sometimes it will get consolidation, again it will come for retest, then it may hit your stop loss also, because that's what we keep the stop loss, right? Okay, next stock is eClerx. So what is what I can see here in eClerx is, so in the daily time frame, I can see a very good resistance here. At the bottom, I can see a very good support here. So you just keep this stock on your radar. So you just wait for the breakout. If you see any breakout on coming week, and don't enter after seeing the breakout, and sometimes it could be a fake breakout also. So you just wait. If you see any very good strong candle, any bullish candle or any bullish pin bar, you can enter. Do not enter before the breakout. So next stock is Metropolis. What do I see here in a daily time frame? I can see a good trend line, good resistance, and at the bottom I can say support, and this is a kind of expanded channel pattern. So you just same, you just keep this stock on your radar. It's almost about to break, I mean last week, but it's not. So wait for the breakout. Do not enter before the breakout. If you see any very good bullish engulfing or very strong candle, you can enter, or else you can wait and you can enter at the retest. Most of the times we can see a fake breakout, so you just wait for the retest and you can enter. You enter somewhere here at the retest, you can keep, at least you can keep stop loss below this trend line. You can target for at least 1 is to 2 or 1 is to 3. uh, Try to hold winners. It doesn't mean that as soon as you hit your target you should exit. If the trend is good, you can ride, you can hold the stock, you can always trail your stop loss. Try to hold as long as possible. So next stock is Britannia. So what do I see in weekly daily time frame? In weekly time frame I can see a very good consolidation. almost from more than a year. So in a weekly time frame, I can see here very good resistance, and here very good support. So you know, at the top I can see very two resistance, at the bottom one, two, three, four support. So if I go to daily time frame, I can see a very good channel pattern. So if I see here, almost here, support one, two, three, four support, and at the top two resistance. So whenever the price comes this particular place, it will bounce back. We have a very good opportunity over here also. So we can enter somewhere here. We can keep the stop loss below this swing low. At least we can keep 1 is to 2, or we can keep till here 1 is to 2.5. The risk reward is convincing. If you want, you can go for this trade. So if you're ready to risk this much, you can go for this trade. And one more thing, guys, this is not a call. This is only for educational purpose. As a swing trader, we don't need to switch one stock to one stock. If the stock is bullish, uh, try to hold as long as possible. I don't use any indicator. I just see the price. I just trade based on the channel pattern and the triangle pattern. Indicators will not work for me because I have tried RSI, MACD, and Bollinger Band. As you know, 95% of the people lose money in the stock market. So, I just wanted to be a little different. Indicators, it won't work. After the price movement, the indicator will show you the buy and sell signal. So I don't want to be, and I don't want to use indicator anymore. So only price action. And that's it for the day. Thank you, guys.